Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So continuing our R tutorials. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can load a CSV file into your R Studio. So we can load multiple files into R Studio such as CSV, Excel, and XML, R data file. There are multiple types of file. I will be exploring each file one by one. So starting from the CSV file, for this purpose we have to perform three steps. The first step is always to load the library. So we have to use the library reader in this, and once we have loaded this library, the second step is to load the data file. So to load this data file there are two methods. First method is to first of all store that data file into a path and then load that path into read underscore csv. But to keep things simple, I will show you very simple step. So I'm going to make a variable named data, and this is the syntax in R to load our to assign values to a variable. Okay, then read underscore csv, this is the command to read the csv file. So now I have to input the file name. One thing you should remember, that when you save your project, your dataset and your file should be in same folder. In that case you don't have to provide any kind of path to load it. It will by default load your path. So I have placed my data file into this folder, and its name is we are working on the csv file. So 01 dash air underscore pollution. So let me 01 air underscore pollution dot csv. Don't forget to write this, and then we have to use this and this. Okay, fine. Now we have in coding we have loaded this file, and this command is used for this purpose. So let me print it or view these values. View these values, what is inside this data set. So I can simply print data. Now I have perform three steps. First step is to import the library. Second one is to load your data set using this read underscore csv file and then print the data. But sometimes you don't have installed this library. In my case I have installed this library. If you don't have installed this library, then you will have to install a package. In case you and it is install dot packages. So from packages it will install this. Okay, so this is the command to use this. So now it's time to test our code. Let me comment this, as I am not going to use this. You will be only using this if you don't have installed this library. So now I have loaded my library from script. I can see that it is successfully loaded. So now I'm going to run this. Once I run this, and it has been, so there is in an error. It is saying that this file does not exist in the current working directory, and it is providing me the path. So it seems like I have not saved my file into that folder. It is on in another folder. So I have to provide a path to load this. So what I will do, I will simply go to my folder and copy this path. Now I have copied this path and I will paste it here, but with the forward slashes 1 2 and 3. So let's see if it gives us again an error. Okay, I think there is a spelling mistake in my dataset. So now okay. Pollution, Pollution. Okay, I have misspelled this, I'm sorry. Okay, once again, take 3. Hmm. It's again saying that it is not present in that folder. So let me check what is the error. It seems like that I have made a big mistake. Uh, it is not the underscore, it's a dash. So I have to put a dash here. Make sure your file name is correct. So in this case, now it is correct. Once I have loaded the true data path, and after that successful and correct path, I have applied a command read underscore csv and stored into a dataset. When I run this file in my object directory, I can see that this data has 1825 observations and 9 variables. So what is inside this data? It has 9 columns and 1825 rows. So let me print this data. So upon printing, we can see that it has a column name, yeah, date, pollution date, dew, temperature. This is a humidity. This is a temperature. This is pressure, wind speed, snow, and the rain, possibility of rain. Okay, these are the attributes of this data. So by following these steps, simple steps, you can simply load a CSV file into your RStudio. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep supporting me and ask me in comments if you have any question. Thank you so much.